Firstly, open Google Chrome. Now click on three dots on right side of the page. Click on Extensions. Visit Chrome Web Store. Now search for Cider AI tool. Download it. Meanwhile, open new tab and search for YouTube. Now you can see that the extension is downloading. Continue with Google. Now your account is created, open YouTube. Let's search for Python full course. Select one of the video. There is one limitation in this tool, is max 10 hours. On the right side of the video, you can generate summary without going to another site, as well as you need not to download full video. Using this extension, you can select specific field to listen things you need. Really, it is very useful, hack one should use. In the same way, we can use it on multiple websites on the right side, as well as by copying it. We can generate anything about it. Else we can ask prompts. Let's search for Amazon website. You can see Cider is generating the text about the site. Sui, subscribe to Tap and Tech Hacks YouTube channel for more hacks.